welcome back to another video. So the gusts are 60 miles an hour and the sea is very, very choppy, and I reckon we're going to be in for a treat again with this natural weather. I mean, look at it, you can see it's getting really choppy now. We've got about another hour to high tide, so we're going to go back out like we did before. I think we got something like 43,000 views on that video, so it's absolutely amazing for the views. But it's amazing seeing something like this at nature at work. So that is North Pier. We're going to go head on to the central carpet and up that way, and yeah, just see what this weather brings today. So come and join me and let's get going. So we just dropped down a level. Excuse the wind, it's really, really windy now. So we dropped down, and you see it's coming in. The waves starting to crash together. So about another hour, I reckon the sea is going to be right up. You can see it's coming up now. So like I said, it's very windy. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can, but it's I think we're going to be in for another bit of a treat on this video again. So we're going to drop down even lower, and you can see I don't know how long we got on here before it really gets up, but we're going to drop down even lower here. So here we go. So as you can see, it is very choppy out there. I mean, just look at that, it's amazing with the sun and everything. It's an absolutely fantastic day, but you can see it's starting to get up. Have a look at that. You see how choppy it is. I'll see if I can zoom in a little bit for you. And look at that. The sun's out, blue skies, and it is getting very, very rough. So just walking along, like I said, this is like the bottom tier before the high tide. You can see, I'll swing the camera around there. You see it's really getting up now, the sea, and it's actually fantastic. Like I said, the day is lovely, blue sky, sun, but the sea is choppy. So I'll just swing the camera around so you can see again. And look at that. So in the last video, the sea was right up. It really came up, so I'll walk them down a little bit further. So I won't be doing this in an hour's time, put it that way. Look at that. You see the big wheel in the distance there, that's Central Pier. So we've got about an hour to go before high tide. So what you got to ask yourself is how long and will it stand up for today's strong winds and high tide, these mini elephants. Will it cope with it? That's the question. So we'll soon find out in about an hour's time. See the beach patrol just doing its rounds there, checking. Like I said, we've got about another hour before high tide comes in, so they're just doing the rounds, make sure everybody's off the beach and safe. So we're going to go for a bit of a break, but we will be back in about 1 hour's time. So we're back out at 4:55, so 5 to 5, and the high tide just near the old post office now, and going past Abington Street Barbecue. That's a fantastic little shop. They do fantastic food in there as well. Yeah, but as you can see, it's very quiet today. Most of the shops are still open, people leaving for work, but it just sort of shows that Blackpool certainly needs some sort of attraction or activity going on to bring people out, draw them out, and get the atmosphere. It was fantastic over the weekend with that UK coach rally. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll pop a link in the description, and go and give that a watch. That was amazing. So like I said, I reckon we'll pop back on the promenade and just have a bit of a look around, just see if the sea is sort of rose any further. And what's going on here? Looks like there's a few homeless people there. Just zoom in, I don't want to be too nosy. You can see just straight ahead. This is a shame in these winds and conditions. But yeah, we'll pop back on the promenade, see what's going on, and rejoin me then. So we're back on the prom, and you see the wind has actually calmed down a little bit as well. You still see it's quite choppy still, but it's actually calmed down. It's not as bad as I thought. I'll just go a little bit further down. I'll probably get soaked in a minute, but hey ho. But yeah, just it's, like I said, it's still choppy, as you can see, but it's not as bad as the other day, nowhere near. But you know, you win some, you lose some. Oh, getting a little bit high now, so we'll just walk to the end, and then we'll probably end the video there. So thank you again for watching another video. A little bit disappointed with the waves and the sea today, but you can't win them all. In one hand it's good for people, on the other hand it's a bit of disappointment. But yeah, we'll definitely recapture another one when it's bad and everything. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, and until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.